Kia ora, 9 Weka. I just realised that I totally forgot to finish my videos. So I'm going to do the first 2 extended abstract questions for you before I have dinner. And then if enough of you watch them or email me, I might do another one after dinner. So big thank you to Katie for saying, Miss, where are they? Here they are. Okay, the first one is this. If the volume of a container is 250 centimetres cubed, how many millimetres cubed would this be? Now, we talked about this in class, that I have to work this out pretty slowly. So here's how I do it. 1 centimetre is equal to 10 millimetres. So I start off by drawing a couple of pictures. If I've got, now obviously this is not 1 centimetre, it's much bigger. If I've got 1 centimetre here and 1 centimetre here, that gives me 1 centimetre squared, right? But I can think of this as, oh no, I'm going to run out of lines, right? Imagine there are 10 lines there and 10 lines there. So 1 centimetre cubed is equal to 10 times 10 millimetres squared, right? So what does that mean for millimetres cubed? Well, it's the same idea. Let's draw a very bad looking cube. 10 little lines there, 10 little lines there, and 10 little lines here. So what I'm thinking about here is how many tiny cubes are there inside that? So 1 centimetre cubed is equal to 10 times 10 times 10 millimetres cubed, which is equal to 1,000 millimetres cubed. So whenever you do conversions for volume and area, that's how you do it. So we're going to have 250 centimetres cubed is equal to 250 times 10 to the power of 3 millimetres cubed. Let's just erase a little bit of this. Sorry for the last minute itis. So that gives me 250,000 millimetres cubed. Okay, now on to the next question. And the next question is a funny one, and you can see that I've played around with the sizing here a wee bit. Hopefully you can see this okay, but we've got a swimming pool, right? And we have to figure out how many litres of water it takes to fill the pool. And the question's very helpfully given me the conversion. 1 cubic metre is equal to 1,000 litres. Or the way I like to remember it is that 1 cubic centimetre is equal to 1 mil. Now, if you look at this shape as it is here, it's quite hard to see how we're going to do it. I found it really hard looking at that to see. I think there's going to be a trapezium in there. But this length here, this is deeper than this. So that's not the equal face. So where is the equal face at the front and back? Because that's what we have to find first, right? Let's go all the way back to our formula sheet. Right, so this is from one of our old videos. The thing that we're going to have to use here is this one. The volume of a prism is the cross-sectional area times the depth. But it's pretty hard to see where that is in here. So what I've done that you can do is you can turn around your piece of paper or your computer screen, and I found that once I'd done that, it was much, much easier to see what was going on. Now let me see if I can make this bigger. Oh, I can't make it bigger. So we're going to have to work with this tiny little diagram here. But hopefully what you can see in here now is that this trapezium here is the front and back thing, right? So that's the thing that's equal the whole way through. So we're going to find the area of that first, and we've got to check that everything is written in terms of metres, and it is. So up here, this length is 0.9. That is a really bad drawing. Even I think that's too terrible for me. Let's do that with a ruler. Okay. All right, thanks for your patience. I feel much better now. That actually looks like a decent maths teacher shape. Important thing here, we've got right angles here, and we know that this length up here is 30 metres, and the top is 0.9, and this one is 2.1 metres. So we can find the area of that trapezium face, and that's the average of the top and bottom, so 0.9 plus 2.1 times the height, which is 30. And remember, that's got to be the perpendicular height. So half of 3 is 1.5 times 30. So the area of that face is 45 metres squared. Now, to figure out the volume of the pool in metres cubed, we're going to take that area and we're timesing it by this bit along here, right, which is 15 metres. Okay, so we've used this, this, and this in finding the area of the trapezium, right? But if you look at it in this picture here, you can see the 15 metres is how far it's going back. So we take the 45 metres, and the volume will be 45 times 15, and that gives us metres cubed. So we're just about there. That gives me 675, I think, 675 metres cubed. But we're talking about a swimming pool. And so we want liquid volume. So we have to convert it to litres. So it's 675,000 litres. So there you go. That's the first 2 extended abstract questions. I need to run away and have some dinner. I will be back later on. If anyone's watched this in the next half hour, I'll make another one. Otherwise, I'll probably stop for the night. Thanks for watching. Good luck for tomorrow.